Welcome back to Grandview High School Bulldogs. My name is Mr. Charles Cranier, and I will be your instructor for the duration of the course. I look forward to building relationships with you through rigorous and relevant mathematical content. Let me begin to introduce myself. I was born and raised in Chicago. When I was 6 years of age, my parents separated and my father remarried when I entered into high school. Several traumatic situations occurred in high school and I dropped out of school. I received a GED/alternative high school degree. With no desire and ambition for education, I decided to work as a houseman at a hotel for the third shift. With several divine encounters with my family and friends, I surrendered my life to Jesus Christ. Shortly after accepting Him, I received a scholarship from a juvenile detention center for 4 years. I pursued an education degree with an emphasis on secondary education math. Upon completion of my bachelor's, I was employed at a neighborhood high school in Chicago. A high school dropout to a high school teacher was my testimony to my friends and family. Simultaneously, I began courting my wife and within 2 years we were married. After 4 years of teaching at Mather High School in Chicago, we moved to Kansas City to pursue a ministry degree at the International House of Prayer. After a year of Bible school, I began teaching at Grandview High School. I taught for 4 years in Grandview and decided to go back to Chicago to launch a prayer ministry and a church plant. For 3 years, my wife and I served the church in Chicago with several confirmations and my wife wanting to come back to Kansas City. It was time to leave Chicago to begin teaching at Ruskin High School in Kansas City. And after 2 years, decided to go back to Grandview High School. Currently, it is my 3rd year teaching at Grandview High School. This year I'll be teaching algebra and geometry. I am pursuing a master's in education and technology at MNU. I completed a kitchen remodel over the summer, and I enjoyed a fun-filled family vacation in Denver, Colorado. I love my wife, which I've been married to for 14 years. I love my 8 children and the one on the way in January. Spending time playing board games such as Ticket to Ride, Catan, or Uno, riding bikes, playing sports, and going on hikes and neighborhood walks, and attending church are several things that I love to do with my family. Personally, I love going to the International House of Prayer in Kansas City, the prayer room. It is my place of refreshing and restoration, which gives me perspective for my teaching assignment at Grandview High School. For this course, my vision for you is to be empowered in mathematics and to enjoy the beauty of mathematics. Several of the values that I long to instill and to incorporate the vision is hard work, determination, perseverance, patience, cooperation, trust, and consistency. Again, this is my name. The room that I am located in is 300. My telephone number is 816-316-5817. My email is charles.cranier@grandviewc4.net. The course description places emphasis on understanding the deductive reasoning process, which involves the student in writing proofs or theorems and giving geometric relationships by reasoning from accepted facts to a conclusion. Some of the units covered in the course will be lines and angles, transformations, triangles, quadrilaterals, similarity, Pythagorean theorem, and trig, circles, and to finish it off is surface area and volume. The grades will be weighted specifically. 70% of the course will be on benchmark quizzes, 20% will be on scrimmages, and 10% will be on midterm, final / project class projects. The grading scale will be issued. 90% to 100% is an A, 80 to 89 is a B, 70 to 79% is a C, and anything below a 69 will be in progress, and at the end of the semester it will be an F. The gradebook categories and breakdowns: students must achieve a score of 75% on 2 assessments to meet mastery of the benchmark. Any grade less than 75% will not count toward mastery. Students who fail to complete the assigned number of benchmarks per quarter will be given an I or an incomplete or / in progress grade. Failure to complete the assigned number of benchmarks, the incomplete will change to an F and no credit will be received for the class. Several of the expectations for the course and for the school will be being respectful, being kind to others, using academic language that's appropriate, no food or drink in class. Another behavior expectation is being responsible. Make sure you do your work and study. Come to class with a writing utensil and a MacBook charged, and clean up after yourself. Another expectation will be on time, in your seat when the bell rings with all supplies, pencil, calculator, MacBook ready to go. You must be seated at the end of the class to be dismissed. Pay attention to important dates and details. And the last behavior expectation will be engaged, use technology appropriately, no cell phone usage, participation in class, taking notes, doing your activity and assignment. No sleeping or heads down. Thank you for being a part of this course. I look forward toward preparing you for your career and college goals and dreams.